Hey, it's Edge here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Meta platforms, also known as Facebook. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the presented accounts. So let's get going. First, we start again from the weekly, and from RSI we can see that we have had this trend line all the way from all-time highs, and we've recently just broke it a few weeks ago. Now overall we had a few different ideas here. Generally we had this labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4 and possibly a fifth here. If the fifth is done, we would be label it like so, and we would be looking for a larger correction here. If not, then we would have just an intermediate one and coming down to 2 before launching up for more higher highs. Now let's take a look at this structure here. Again, we're going to be playing this as this is going to be invalidating first on a higher time frame, but again most of the trades, if any, are taken on a smaller time frame, that if they are providing the possible entries and good risk to reward ratios. Now let's start with this one. So this is again the idea where we had last time mentioned that this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 ending here. We do have a divergence on daily between these lows. If we go closer though, we are going to be removing that divergence, giving us some possibilities that this is not over yet. Also, as mentioned, as this is a 5-wave structure here, or I've labeled this as 5-wave structure, this would be the A wave, looking for the B wave and then C wave downwards to finish the wave 2 or something else. Now the wave 4 came down to the 38.2 retracement, which is expected, but there is something else as well here that is a possibility. This triangle here is definitely possible. We have a nice looking triangle here as well, coming down onto the RSI. Whether this is done, the D wave here, I'm not certain of that yet. The 786 would be the expected area where we would be looking for this, so a bit more dump down before going up for the C wave, and that would actually finish the 4th wave here. We do have some couple of different invalidation points on top of the C wave and below the B wave here. Either of those is going to invalidate this idea. Now there are other more bearish scenarios as well, where we have indeed finished the wave 4 and have just done 1, 2. As we have not yet gone past the previous wave 4, aka this one here, we can still be looking for these bearish scenarios as the trend is still down. This would be ultra bearish, though, saying that this could be a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we would be having the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and that would just get the A wave done, or the wave 1. Again, if we want to be even more bearish than this one, again we could just say it is a wave 1. At that point again we would be expecting rise to the wave 2, 3, 4 and 5, which would just melt Meta platforms. And as this would be the 5-wave structure, again we would be looking for 3 waves up and then another 5 waves down to finish the sequence of 5, 3, 5, or the zigzag. That would be a massive massive structure, but again this could be happening. Now, as everybody else is bearish as well, there should be a bullish count, and this is what it is shown here. So let me bring these guys back. Invalidation points here $168, and we have a possibility for wave 1, 2, and then launching up higher. Now again, this is saying that we still have this 5-way structure here, and if we want to say this is bullish, or sorry, zigzag pattern here that is going to come with this 5-way structure, then we are expecting the 5 ways first. But the thing is here, it is really hard to say if this is a 5-way structure. There's really no indication because there's such a big gap here. We just don't know what this is. We could be labeling this multiple different ways, as the triangle, as the 1, 2, or as the 1, 2 otherwise, other direction. So I wouldn't be playing meta platforms at all until we break the invalidation levels for certain counts. But that's pretty much it. Play safe, and if you want to play one side, of course, have the stop losses below the invalidation levels. And that's pretty much all I wanted to share on meta platforms for now. If you have another account you would like me to share or create account for, let me know in the comments as well. And yeah, Discord link in the description if you want to join. But for now, I thank you for watching, and hopefully see you on the next video as well. Bye bye.